Are you planning to visit Mansarovar Yatra? Then you need to know some of the important things for the tour. We brought some important things that you should know. Packing items for Mansarovar Yatra. Complete Kailash Yatra Preparation Guide for 2023. Kailash Mansarovar Yatra is a difficult yatra in the Tibet region of China. While joining for a complete Kailash journeys, you must plan in a way you are traveling to the high altitude and rough climate, so baggage must have proper woolen clothes and trekking equipments. Find below the complete list of items that are required for the upcoming Mount Kailash package in 2023 and 2024. Which helps you and all the Kailash yatris to pack the right things for the Mansarovar Yatra. Here are the complete Kailash Mansarovar Yatra list for you. Most important and comfortable hiking shoes. Shoes must be comfortable for hiking. Please do not take new fresh shoes for parikrama. You must use the shoes before the yatra. Then it's smooth and easy to wear. Warm pullover, jackets. Take warm jackets and sweaters or pullovers or thermal inner clothes. Those help you to keep warm in cold temperatures. A pair of sandal, slippers are good for evening and morning and to use for toilets, bathrooms. Walking sticks are very much suggested for Mount Kailash trek or Kailash parikrama. That stick helps you to go up and down and make balance to your body. Torch light or flashlight during Kailash Yatra. A few places you are out of electric source. So, during the evening, night and dark time it's very useful for you. Drinking water bottle at least 1 liter, which is very commonly you can buy anywhere. Thermos, flash useful for cold temperatures and you can always use hot water for drinking. Soft toilet paper and tissue paper very useful for cold weather. Rain sweet, poncho is another important thing during Kailash Yatra. It not only protects water but also protects the winds and keeps your body warm. Sunscreen, goggles, monkey cap, mosquito cream, odomos or similar, altitude sickness medicine, muffler, scarf. Waist bags for emergency cases. Sunglass, suggested oak protection and polarized, wind mask, lip guard and soft cream and head oil. Regular medicine, and it is hard to find them during the yatra, or also prepare some extra first aid medicine kit. Dry fruits, nuts or candies for refreshment. The air is dry on Kailash Mansarovar area, so if you use these things on your mouth, always good. Raisins etc. Jod candies or energy bar. Body clothes. Feel free to wear any kinds of clothes, most be comfortable, warm and clean. There is not any restriction for cloth in Kailash Yatra. Avoid draping clothes like sari, lungi, dhoti etc. A backpack or rucksack. Take a small backpack for your daily personal things to carry. Mostly every Kailash tour operator from Kathmandu, they will provide their name printed bags for you as a gift. And they also provide you a duffel bag, about 30 liters. Please put all your important things for yatra in the bag and you will get that bag in front of your hotel, guest house room by your Kailash Yatra staff every day. Puja Samagri for Mansarovar and Kailash. 3 to 4 pairs of winter shocks and inner layers to change. A smooth towel for short bath and face wash. Other regular clothes are following in short form. Thermal vest and pajama. Undergarments and nightwear. Full sleeves cotton round and polo neck and t-shirts. Comfortable and warm pants, leggings, trousers. Woolen sweater, down jacket, able to accommodate inner layers. Cotton socks, woolen socks. Balaklava, monkey cap, and shawl, scarf. Gloves cotton, woolen mittens and a pair of snow gloves for those doing the parikrama. Wind cheater with hood. Slippers to be worn with socks. Swimsuit, hot spring in Chui Gompe. If you are interested, you can use that by paying yourself. Something to wear while taking a dip in Lake Mansarovar. List of personal and butt cuts for Mansarovar Yatra. Toothpaste or brush. Lip balm and sunscreen. Deodorant or perfume. Shampoo sachets. Soap strips. Skin moisturizer. Toilet paper rolls. Personal hygiene wipes. Small mirror, comb, hairbrush, hair ties, hand sanitizers, face mask. Other important miscellaneous items for Kailash tour. Luggage tags to remember your baggage. Number locks for luggage. Battery packs for phone and camera. Camera with extra storage memory, batteries. Phone and camera chargers. Nepal and Tibet have same plug adapters as India. Plastic bags to separate used and unused clothes. Small knife, not suggested on hand carry. iPod and headphones. Photocopy of passport in each piece of luggage with complete contact info, or if you have a personal visiting card you can log on your yatra bag. Join us on this NTP Pilgrimage Yatra tour as we delve into the rich spiritual and cultural heritage of the Himalayas. This tour promises to be a once-in-a-lifetime experience, filled with breathtaking scenery, spiritual enlightenment, and cultural discovery. Book your spot now and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. Thanks for watching.